Good morning. I wanted to show you where I've been painting and where I should be painting. You may not know, but I have a decent sized art studio that is attached to our garage, detached from our house, and in the winter I just don't like the cold, so I didn't like to go out there and wait for my heater to heat up and before I could paint. So I slowly started bringing things into my dining room, and this is what it's turned into. Started with this little box here with just a few supplies and a few rocks, and over the last 2 months I've just slowly brought more in here, including my airbrush that we recently started playing with. And yeah, it's getting a little crowded, so I need to pack up all this and get it out to my studio. You can see many rocks, even some rocks that I bought from Home Depot, some beach stones of some sort. A lot of my mixed paints, my coffee, all my little tubes, and yeah, everything, almost everything. I just recently started mixing some orange shades, but like I said, it's getting crowded in here, and I have a whole studio that I could be in, and it's time. Well, I got it all in here. It's time to put everything back in their place and organize and clean up just a little bit in here, and then I'll give you a quick little tour. Feels really good. It's nice to be back out here, and I'm excited to show it to you. This is the slider door coming in from our house. This little door right here goes into our garage or small wood shop. This corner will be for airbrush, and my husband built all these shelves so that I could put my artwork on as I finish it. We have an AC up here so that in the summer when it's too hot I can kick that on. And we built this little studio years ago, just my husband and I and my older son. It has had a lot of art done in it. All my paint, These bigger bottles up top are my thinned down, I would say medium paint, and then all the little bottles down below are more of a pouring consistency. If you've seen any of my rocks or mosaics, I use those a lot. So I've got some rocks prepped. One thing I wish I had was a little bit better lighting. We have these Canon lights. It's pretty bright in here, but if you're recording, there's a lot of shadow. So I've got some music with the speakers up there that I painted a while back, and basically my wall of paint. I use a lot of Artesia and Master's Touch from Hobby Lobby. Got smaller tubes and bigger tubes. So this is it. I have a hammock that I put up in the middle when I want to relax, and a little table extension that we put in that folds up. This is where I spend a lot of time. So thanks for watching. I hope you check out my other videos. I have a lot more besides rocks. I've been doing the channel for about a year, and I'm very, very thankful for all the subscribers that I have, the ones I've gained over the last year. It's been quite a ride, and I'm excited to keep going and showing you more of my art. So thanks for watching.